Yes, Mr. President, I also would like to associate myself with the privileged speech delivered by the Senate President, and I would like to state as much as Senator Po and Senator Pangilinan stated a while ago. I remember last September 17, 2017, I personally filed a case of violation of agricultural smuggling against former Commissioner Paildon when he allowed the release of seized rice in Cagayan de Oro port in the amount of 37 million pesos. So talagang swak na swak sana because the threshold amount is 10 million pesos. The case is still pending. The Ombudsman already filed a case of violation of anti-graft and corrupt practices. So I filed a motion for reconsideration because I filed a case of violation of RA 10845. This is precisely the bill or the law passed by Senator Villar, the chairman of the Committee on Agriculture. The case still pending the Supreme Court because of that petition. And I'd like to see the logical conclusion of that case because that would be a very good test case. I think that's the only case filed in violation of the said Republic Act passed by Senator Villar and this chamber, Mr. President. That's all. Thank you.